Ever faced the Netflix error code S7363-1260-00003266 while using Safari on your MacBook? An error that doesn't let your favorite show load, leaving you stuck with nothing but a static screen? Today we're delving deep into this issue and providing you with a comprehensive guide to resolve it. Firstly, try refreshing your device and checking for any pending updates. Turn off your device and router, wait for 5 minutes, and then restart them. If the error persists, ensure your browser is up to date. An outdated browser might be the root of the problem. Still seeing the error? Time to clear those cookies. Simply visit netflix.com/clear-cookies from your Safari web browser. This action will clear Netflix's cookies and cache which might be causing the issue. If the error continues, you can try emptying the cache from the Safari Develop tab. Simply go to the Safari drop-down menu, choose Preferences, select the Advanced tab, and then select the option, Show Develop Menu in Menu Bar. From there, go to the Develop drop-down menu and choose Empty Cache. If the error is still there, it could be due to one of your browser extensions. Try disabling them, particularly if you're using any ad blocker extensions. Still no luck? You might want to try creating a new user under your Netflix account. If this doesn't work, consider using Netflix on a different browser, such as Chrome or Firefox. Since this error is specific to Safari, switching browsers might just do the trick. And if all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to the Netflix support team. They're there to help you resolve the issue and get you back to enjoying your favorite shows. In summary, the Netflix error code, S7363-1260-00003266 on Safari can be resolved by refreshing your device, updating your browser, clearing cookies and cache, disabling browser extensions, creating a new Netflix user, or switching browsers. And remember, the Netflix support team is always ready to help. With these steps, you'll be back to your Netflix marathon in no time. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates visit Quaries.com.